Introducing the Genius Tools 9-piece 1/4 inch drive metric universal hand socket set. This set includes 9 versatile sockets designed to simplify your work. Each socket features an ingenious universal joint design, granting unparalleled access to fasteners in even the most awkward and tight spaces. Crafted with a 12-point configuration, these sockets offer superior contact. The high-quality chrome vanadium steel construction ensures durability and strength, while a sleek matte finish paired with an anti-corrosion layer means your tools remain clean and functional no matter the conditions. The set's range of metric sizes is clearly stamped directly onto each socket, ensuring you can quickly identify the size you need without worry of the markings fading over time. For added convenience and organization, the set comes complete with a sturdy metal socket rail. Engineering to meet or exceed ANSI standards, Genius Tools stands behind our quality with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.